Join us on our guided tour as we delve into the complexities of the Berl Sector Performance Employment by Sectors dashboard, where we will explore its intricate details. Presented by Data N Dashboards, this dashboard provides a comprehensive and interactive exploration of employment trends across various sectors over a span of 22 years. Prepare for an enlightening journey through this fascinating data landscape. Step into this interactive dashboard that unveils the fluctuations of employment over time, while offering insightful comparisons to both yearly and decade averages. This icon serves as a gateway to access information about the dashboard. To access additional details about specific elements within the dashboard, click on the Show Info option. Interacting with the dashboard, we can observe that the total number of employments for 2022 reached 312,273, reflecting a 4.3% growth from 2021 and a significant 18.71% growth compared to 2017. Typically, maps on our dashboard come with an interactive tooltip. This handy feature offers more detailed data when you move your mouse cursor over a specific area. To illustrate, we can select a particular point on the map by moving our cursor to its location and simply clicking on it. At the specified location of Carterton District, the corresponding number of employments are 3,550. These charts allows us to analyze the difference between each year's number of employments and the average number of employments of the entire decade. The yellow bar chart enables us to visualize the disparity between the average number of employments of specific decades, such as 2000 to 2009, 2010 to 2019, and 2020 to 2022 onwards. By hovering over or clicking on each bar, we can obtain detailed information about the number of employments for that year and sector. The red bar chart facilitates the analysis of annual average employment difference across different sectors from 2000 to 2022. By exploring the interactive black bar chart, it showcases the actual employment trend, alongside the dynamic yellow line representing the decade average, DA, and the dotted red line indicating the all-year average, A. The dashboard is equipped with customizable filters for your convenience. To explore the available options, simply click on the drop-down menu in the filters. Let's go ahead and select Hamilton City to observe the changes that occur upon applying a specific filter. Selecting a different option from the filters, such as Hamilton City, will update the dashboard statistics to show data specific to that area. Let's dive in and select Employment by 86 Industry in the category and pick Computer System Design and Related Services in the sector. Witness the transformative changes that unfold through the application of specific filters, as we set the year to 2019. Next, we're going to look into the undo and redo functions. We'll proceed using our present view for this. This is the undo button. Selecting this option will go back one step at a time. Keyboard shortcuts can also be used for undoing. On Windows, press Ctrl+Z, and on macOS, press Command+Z to undo. This is the redo button. Selecting this option will go forward one step at a time. Keyboard shortcuts can also be used for redo. On Windows, press Ctrl+Y, and on macOS, press Command+Shift+Z to redo. This is the Share button. For sharing the dashboard, click on the Share button located at the bottom right corner of the dashboard. You have the option to share the current or original view using an embed code, a link, via email, Twitter, and Facebook. This is the Download option. This button allows the user to export the report and its data. Choose the download format that suits your needs. For example, if you want an image, just click on Image, and it'll immediately download a screenshot to your device. This is the button of Download Image. This allows a user to save an image of the current view, with filters. The full screen option enables you to view the dashboard at its maximum display size. The Revert button allows you to clear all filters and return to the dashboard's original view. These are adjustable containers. You can adjust the charts by clicking on the numbers or alphabets to open and close the respective visualization. When the user presses the button, it triggers a color change in the button and causes the connected charts to disappear, and all other visualizations adjust their size to fit the dashboard dimensions. Here's a glance at what this feature has to offer. The second number chart, that is bar chart, is obscured here. This project includes more dashboards. There are two ways to switch to another dashboard. One way is to click on the tab and select the dashboard. Another way is to click on the right and left arrows located at dashboard's top right corner. The right dashboard takes you to the next one, while the left arrow takes you to the previous dashboard. Now let's explore employment, moving AVGs, trends by sector 2000 to 2022 dashboard. Explore this interactive dashboard to track the annual employment growth, observe the moving average number of employment, and compare employment growth to a reference year. Engage with this interactive graph showcasing the year-by-year growth of employment in different sectors from 2000 to 2022. The yellow line represents the dynamic moving average of employment growth. Here it specifically illustrates the 3-year moving average. Personalize your analysis of the moving average by selecting the desired number of years using the interactive moving average filter. You can evaluate the employment growth by comparing it to a reference year for analysis and assessment. For example, by choosing the reference year 2009, we can delve into the analysis of employment growth. In the employment growth percent graph, the gray bars represent the Wellington region, and the green line represents the Waikato region. By comparing the two regions to the reference year 2009, we observe that in the year 2022, the Waikato region experienced a 36% increase. The Wellington region experienced a smaller percentage increase of 29% compared to the Waikato region. We can customize the displayed areas by applying filters and adapt them according to our preferences. Now, let's proceed to the next dashboard and discover its additional features. Engage with this interactive dashboard that visualizes the ranking of regions and TAs based on annual values of economic criteria such as GDP, employment, or business unit numbers. This is a bump chart. It provides an effective means to assess the ranking of regions and TAs based on a number of employments, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of their relative positions and trends. This chart displays the employment by 19 industry category, encompassing all sectors. By exploring this interactive visualization, we can observe that Wellington City holds the highest number of employments and ranks first. Upon selecting the Employment by 86 Industries option from the category filter, we can observe the resulting changes or updates in the displayed data. By selecting the filter Building Construction, we can swiftly observe the real-time updates in the dashboard. The bump chart helps in contextualizing the data to the viewer. Just hover the mouse to select any point to get more information in the tooltip. Explore this interactive dashboard to visualize regional rankings and compare year-over-year changes in number of employments, enabling a comprehensive assessment of regional performance. Based on the highest year-over-year trend in change, Upper Hutt City has the top rank in the chart, with the moving average calculated over a 3-year period. By examining the data, we observe that despite having lower number of employments, Upper Hutt City achieves the top rank due to significant trend changes. It dropped from the first rank in 2001 to the 10th position in 2004, then rose to the 6th rank in 2006. From 2013 to 2015, it consistently held the 10th rank, and from 2020 to 2022, it secured the top rank. By applying filters, we can tailor the dashboard to our specific requirements and preferences. The Sector Ranking by Employment 2000 to 2022 dashboard provides an elaborate analysis of sector rankings based on number of employments over a period of 2000 to 2022. By engaging with this interactive bump chart, we visualize that healthcare and social assistance sector make the largest sectoral contribution to number of employments, with the construction sector following closely in rank. By modifying the filters in the visualization, such as selecting area as Carterton District and categorizing by 86 industries, along with choosing top 15 sectors, we can witness a dynamic transformation in the statistics presented on the dashboard graph. The Sector Ranking by Employment Growth dashboard provides an interactive and informative view of how different sectors have performed in terms of employment growth from the year 2000 to 2022. Let's dive into the interactive dashboard and customize our filters by selecting the Waikato region as the area, focusing on employment by 19 industries, displaying the top 10 sectors, and analyzing the statistics using a 5-year moving average to observe the dynamic changes in real time. By exploring the sector ranking by employment growth in the Waikato region, we can visualize that the electricity, gas, water and waste services sector emerges as the top performer in terms of year-over-year change, with a noteworthy 5-year moving average of 11.3%. By adjusting the visualization filters, including selecting Hamilton City as the area, categorizing by 86 industries, implementing a yearly moving average of 7, and highlighting the top 16 sectors, we can observe a remarkable shift in the statistical representation on the dashboard graph. If you find yourself needing support or have any questions related to the Berl Sector Performance Dashboard or our other digital dashboards, don't hesitate to contact us at info@datadashboards.co.nz. We appreciate your time and thank you for being with us on this learning journey.